Hey students, welcome to GK class. In this class, we are going to start your next chapter, Paralympic Games. Paralympics is a major international multi-sport event designed for athletes who are physically disabled, and it is a great source of inspiration for all. Let us learn more about these Paralympic Games. Paralympic Games, a major international sports competition for athletes with disabilities. Comparable to Olympic Games, the Paralympics are split into Winter Games and Summer Games, which alternatively occurs every 2 years. The Paralympics developed after Sir Ludwig Guttmann organized a sports competition for British World War II veterans with spinal cord injuries in England in 1948. A follow-up competitions took place in 1952, with athletes from the Netherlands joining the British competitors. In 1960, the first quadrennial Olympic-style games for disabled athletes were held in Rome. Purpose of Paralympic Games. The purpose of it at that time was to assist large number of war veterans and civilians who had been injured during wartime. In 1944, at the request of British government, Dr. Ludwig Guttmann opened a spinal injuries center at Stoke Mandeville Hospital in Great Britain. Next, he insisted they got up and moved around by taking part in craft and sporting activities. One of the Guttmann's most inspired idea was to get wheelchair patients playing sports as a way of improving fitness, boosting self-esteem, and restoring personal dignity. On the same day as the opening of 1948 London Olympic Games, Dr. Guttmann organized a team from Stars and Greaters Home to compete in an archery demonstration, and it had a lasting impact. The 14 men and 2 women who took part in that, and they became the first Para-Olympian. In 1948, International Wheelchair Games were held. Guttmann organized a similar events every year, and each successive year the games got bigger and better. The Paralympics in 1960 hosted 400 athletes from 23 countries participating in 8 sports. The Paralympic movement continued to grow. The size and diversity of the Paralympic game have been increased greatly over the years. Paralympic games have become great source of inspiration for all. Answer the following questions. The first athlete to complete in Paralympic category, a German-American gymnast with an artificial leg. The answer is George Iser. Second question, name the first games held in 1948. Answer is International Wheelchair Games. Third question, the man who organized Athletic Day for disabled athletes, the World War II patients, Dr. Ludwig Guttmann. Fourth question, the 1988 Summer Olympics, another milestone for the Paralympic movement, was held in Seoul, South Korea. Fifth question, recent Paralympic Games have emphasized that these games are about ability, not disability. Sixth question. The 1992 Winter Paralympics, the first Winter Games to use the same facilities as the Winter Olympics, was held in Albertville, that is in France. Seventh one. The woman from United States, the most decorated Paralympian, who won a total of 55 medals including 41 gold. The answer is Trisha Jor. Next, section B, match the following. First one, IPC. The abbreviation of IPC is International Paralympic Committee, that is F. Second one, IOC. Abbreviation of IOC is International Olympic Committee. Third one, NPC. Abbreviation of NPC is National Paralympic Committee. Fourth, Paralympic motto. The motto of Paralympic game is Spirit in Motion. Next, Deaflympics. Games for deaf athletes. Next, Paraplegic Games. Event for athletes with a range of disabilities. Last one, Agito. Symbol of the International Paralympic Committee. And this is all about Paralympic Games. Thank you, students.